Never a good idea to just look at one specific thing when digging into investments. As you all know, I'm a crypto investor, but I like to take a look at the entire picture because A, this is not 2017 anymore. We are actually tied to a lot of other markets in the cryptocurrency market. And B, it's always just a good idea to know what the overall macroeconomy is looking like because any market in a recession or depression is going to be depressed, right? Because there's not as much money inflowing and there's not enough people that are excited to get out there and invest because A, they might not have jobs, or B, the growth of the GDP is stagnant or going down. So because of that, I've been looking at a lot of articles and announcements that people have been making. Kathy Wood from ARK Invest has already said that we are in a depression, and I kind of agree with that. Peter Schiff, the gold bug that is always arguing about Bitcoin, he has also said that we're most likely headed towards a recession, and he called the 2008 housing market collapse. So even though he might disagree with some things that I strongly agree with, that doesn't mean that he's wrong on all fronts. So it's a good idea to look at these things, look and see what people are saying, because I believe that if we are in a recession, and it does start getting a lot worse from here, we're already starting to see job cuts, we're starting to see interest rates rise, then the crypto market is not going to be doing as well as it was in October or November of last year. It just can't. It'll be stifled by the fact that people are losing their jobs, GDP is going down, and there's not as much money to play around with in the markets. So please do your research. Go and look at all of these large corporation banks that are just now catching up to this sentiment, though. It's fascinating to see how far they're lagging behind, and it's because they're not technologically advanced. They don't think that some of them don't think that we're headed towards a recession, and some have it as high as a 45% probability. Things to consider, guys. Thanks for watching.